B syndrome, pain in both elbows, continuation of the topic. Female age 46, pain in the both elbows, chip complaint. So according to the 8 principles, channel collateral patterns neither heat nor cold, so pattern of excess. According to theology, physical stress causing injury to the sinews. According to channels and collaterals, obstruction of the channel, painful obstruction of the sinews. Treatment principle, remove the obstruction from the channels. Number 2, relax the sinews. And number 3, tonify the spleen. So selection of points, large intestine 12, large intestine 10, Ashi points, then stomach 36, spleen 9. Explanation of points, large intestine 12 is a point which relaxes the sinews and alleviates pain. Its function here being mainly to promote the local circulation of qi and blood and the function of the joints. It will help alleviate pain from the elbow and arms. Large intestine 10 alleviates pain and swelling from the local muscle and promotes the circulation of qi and blood around the channel. Ashi points are used primarily to remove obstruction from the painful area. Stomach 36 regulates the function of the spleen in stomach and promotes the antipathogenic factors. It is primarily used in this case to treat the chronic weakness of the spleen. Spleen 9 tonifies the spleen and removes dampness. Combination of points, large intestine 12 and stomach 36. Remove obstruction from the elbow, especially from the young brightness channel. The warm needle technique can be used on both points to promote and movement of qi around the channel. This pair of points is commonly used in the clinic for elbow pain. Follow-up. The patient was treated 4 times during a 2-week period. After the first treatment, the right elbow was much improved. The left elbow remaining tender at the Ashi points. After 2 further treatments, the elbow had completely recovered, but she had been working hard, and there was tenderness in the muscle on the left side. She received 1 more treatment, after which she was symptoms-free. At follow-up, 2 months later, there were no apparent symptoms. Thank you for your attention.